Imagine having a personal AI assistant for your crypto tokens, right inside Telegram. It's like having a 24/7 expert at your fingertips. Welcome to Crypto AI Agents, where we simplify exciting tech for everyone. Today, I'm breaking down how to create a crypto AI agent, an intelligent assistant that helps token creators manage and grow their crypto projects. So, what's a crypto AI agent? It's a bot that works inside Telegram to track your token's performance, like its price or trading volume, give you AI-powered advice on improving liquidity or attracting more holders, send you real-time alerts about big trades or price changes. And the best part? It's fully automated and user-friendly, even if you're not a tech wizard. Why build this on Telegram? Telegram is the go-to app for the crypto community. It's fast, secure, and widely used by token creators and traders. By integrating the crypto AI agent into a Telegram mini app, we make it incredibly easy for users to access everything without leaving their favorite platform. Let's talk about how this AI agent actually works. It's super simple. Connect to Telegram. First, we create a bot using Telegram's tools. This bot acts as your assistant inside a chat. AI-powered answers. The bot uses AI to understand natural questions like, what's my token's trading volume? Or, how many holders do I have? Live blockchain data. It pulls real-time token data from platforms like Solana, ensuring users always get accurate insights. So, instead of manually tracking performance, this bot does it for you, 24/7. Here's how the crypto AI agent helps token creators. Real-time alerts. It notifies you about major trades, price spikes, or liquidity changes instantly. Performance insights. Get clear, actionable stats about your token's performance. AI recommendations. The bot suggests improvements, like adding liquidity or optimizing token settings. For example, if your token's liquidity drops below a healthy level, the AI might recommend adding more liquidity to boost trading activity. It's like having a personal advisor, without the hourly fees. Now, let's simplify the process of building your crypto AI agent. Create a Telegram bot. Use Telegram's bot creation tools to set up a basic chatbot. You don't need to code, just follow their step-by-step instructions. Add AI intelligence. Connect your bot to an AI engine like GPT, which enables it to understand and respond to user queries intelligently. Fetch blockchain data. Integrate APIs from platforms like Solana or Binance Smart Chain to pull real-time token stats. Package it together. Combine everything into a user-friendly Telegram chat interface, where users can access all features with a few clicks. And there you have it, a fully functional AI agent in Telegram. Here's why this crypto AI agent is a must-have for token creators. It saves time by automating repetitive tasks like checking stats and alerts. It helps you improve your tokens. With this tool, you can focus on growing your project while your AI assistant takes care of the rest. Performance with AI-driven advice. And it makes managing your crypto project simple and accessible, even if you're not tech-savvy. That's it for today's guide on building a crypto AI agent with a Telegram mini app. Whether you're a crypto creator or just curious about AI tools, this is an amazing way to simplify your workflow. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Questions for you to answer in the comments. 1. What feature would you want in a crypto AI agent? 2. Have you used any Telegram bots for crypto before? 3. How do you think AI can improve crypto management? What token platform are you most excited to integrate with AI? Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials. And don't forget to check out our related videos on crypto tools. Just click on the end screen. See you next time.